Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and Lenny the Lion is with us today, and he's going to help us look at this, which is another comic book mystery box unboxing, and this one should hopefully be 25 random DC comics. So let's go and have a look at this one. So this one's from Comic Biz, and I'll put a link and everything in the description so you can go and have a look for yourself. But this is, you get 5 comics for $3.99. But if you buy 5 of them, you get 25% off. So it works out at £15 for 50, was it 25 comics for £15? So it's about 60p or something like that. And there's going to be, they're all from the DC. Supposed to be in like near mint condition and things. But I did actually buy this one by mistake because I wanted the indie comics, but I accidentally bought this one. But so I'm not sure if I'm going to like this one because I've got a feeling it might be full of covers of blokes like Batman. I like Batman, but I prefer me female characters. So what I do is I create a little wish list before I get into this. And I did forget to do a wish list on the last one. I forgot to come back to it. But what I've noticed is with Comic Biz, they always satisfy me. I always feel satisfied with their mystery boxes. But I'm not sure about this one, like I said. So my wish list, I'd like to get a female character. I'd like to have more comics with female characters than males. Something from the 80s and the 90s, because I like the old comics. I like something from a character I'm collecting, like maybe say Harlequin, Poison Ivy, Wonder Woman, Suicide Squad, the Teen Titans or something, and then a bonus, something really weird. I'd like to get something really weird, so I'll come back to that at the end and see how we got on. But Lenny the Lion, he's going to get us into this one, and he cannot wait because he's been, well, I've had this one for a few days, and whilst I am a bit scared of whether I'm going to like it or not, I am actually also very excited and curious. I'm curious to see what we're going to get here. So I'm just going to make sure I don't get the, you have to be a bit forceful with this one to get it open. I want to make sure I don't get the label on it. Yay! They put this one in cardboard thingies. They're very nicely packaged, isn't it? That's what I think. But what they do is, which this really sort of makes me feel uncomfortable. What they do is they use a comic. Look, they rip up a comic and use it as the packing paper. How mad is that? So for me, I couldn't do that. But here we go. Lenny's going to get us in. Hey, one of these has got a bag. I bet that's a Fortnite. I bet that's a Fortnite DC for you. Look, we've got an advert there for the Titans. I bet it's... Yay, look, Fortnite, cool. Oh, issue number 1 as well. Oh, I'm already happy because I'm actually collecting this comic. I've been getting that from the comic shop. From the 50p and £1 bins. I'm going to have to turn it upside down now. So I'm actually quite happy with that, and it's a cool cover as well. And look, we've got the Batman. I haven't got the Batman Fortnite found. I'm not sure if that's the one. It must be the one I'm collecting. But the thing that's funny for me is there's a Marvel ones these as well, like a Marvel Fortnite thingy. This one, Batman Superman. That's a cool cover. Issue number 20. It is a cool cover, that one. But again, I'm more into me female characters. Black Adam. I don't think I got that one. This must be quite a new one. Yay! Oh yeah. Oh cool. Issue number 1 of Punchline, the Gotham game. with a cool character, look. I don't know who that character is. Is that character Punchline? Yeah, I'm not, see, I'm quite new to comics, so I don't really know a lot of these characters. But I like the look of this. So the good thing about this is, I might really enjoy this, and then I've got a new character to get into. But I like the way that she's like colour and everything else is grey. That might end up being my favourite comic, I think, from this mystery box. This one. Oh, brilliant. Oh, brilliant. A Wonder Woman one shot. That's brilliant. Because I am actually, it's not my favourite cover. It's for me, that's a bit of a boring cover. I don't find that cover very sexy, but I am actually collecting Wonder Woman. And now look how beautiful the artwork is on the inside. And then, like the cover, this is one of those rare occasions where the cover's not as good as the artwork inside, I think. Oh, it's cool now. This one, the next Batman Second Son, issue 2 of 4. Look at these Jokers, look. Yeah, there's four Jokers there, look. People wearing Joker masks. That's quite a cool cover, actually. This one's one of those on hard card paper. Now that's a nice cover. Look at that, look. That's brilliant cover. Dark Knight's Death Metal 4. I think I've got Death Metal 3 or 5 or something. One with a Wonder Woman on it. Oh, this is amazing. Now, if I saw that in the comic shop for £4, I would buy that. Even though, even though I'm more into my female characters, I can still see when a comic is sexy. Here we got another hard one here. Yeah, I like this one. Batman: The Adventures Continue, Season 2, Issue number 5. Is this all like... I hope this is like... It is. It's done in like a cartoony... I like those. I like it when you get characters with those big chiseled chins. That's brilliant. We've got another one of the... Yeah, I've got this one. DC Fortnite issue 6. I've got this one because it's got Harley on the cover. I think that might have been the first one I bought because it's got Harley on there. And then I started then collecting because they had a few more of them. The good thing about this is I can open this one now because I've already got one of these sealed, but I didn't want to open it. Yay, we got, oh yeah. So this is a free one, Batman Day Special Edition. Oh, this is brilliant. Imagine if you could collect the whole one of this. I don't know how many issues there were. Oh, I'm happy with that. So I've got 2 new ones for the collection there. This is another nice cover as well, look. Danger Street. Book 4, Lady Cop. This is book 4, is it? What a cool cover that is. That's beautiful, that is. And then the last one from this lot, Batman Detective Comics, issue 1070, look. Huh, that's mental. I like that cover. That's a nice cover, that is. I like the way they blended the colours, look. Oh, and it's got nice paper as well. And the art, I like the artwork inside as well. Look at her sexy dress, look. Wow, that was brilliant. I hope this lot's as good as that lot. I got me. I'm just gonna get rid of that because I don't want you to see that. Oh yay! We got some old ones. Oh, so it looks like we had. It looks like the first lot were like quite new ones, and then the second lot. So that would have been, what would that be? 12. There should be, how many's in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there should be 13 in here. And it looks like most of them are old ones. So I love the old ones. But this is a new one here. Yay, we've got another Punchline. This is the same issue, I think, is it? This is on hard, this is a cardboard one as well. Where's the other Punchline one? I wonder if it's the same issue but with a different cover. No, it's a different issue, look. Oh, Punchline the Gotham Game Issue 1 and Punchline Issue 1. Oh, that's cool. And now, these are all old ones. We've got Justice League America, issue 227. I love these old ones. We've got Dragon. We need David Dragon here. There's something about these old ones, I just find them, they make me feel happy somehow. Look at these old video games, look. These from the 80s, these are. The Legion of Superheroes. Oh, look at her, look. She's nice. The White Witch. Sparkling... What's it? Shrinking Violet. Shrinking Violet. Look, another dragon. They were obsessed with dragons in the old days. These old adverts are funny. Green Lantern. I've actually got a couple old Green Lanterns. That's a nice cover as well. I like that one. What I like about the Green Lantern comics is you get aliens in them. Like strange creatures. Look at these old adverts. Is this another one? Yay. Was it issues 176 and 177? Green Lantern. Tales of the GL Corps. That's a cool cover, that is. Do you dare enter the House of Mystery? Issue number 235. I hope this is a bunch of little stories. Shazam, look. Shazam's in here. Wings of Black Death. I'm hoping it's going to be... Look at him, look. Huh. I'm not sure. I like the sound of this, though. The House of Mystery. See, that for me, something really weird. That's like what that is. Yay, we got another one. Oh, cool. I'm getting the vibe of like Tales from the Crypt or something from these. Oh, yeah. The House of Secrets. 12p, look. Huh. Issue number 153. What year was this then? I don't know what year this was. 1978 this is. 1978. Yay, look at that, look. Look at that advert. Oh, I'm absolutely loving this. Return of the New Gods. Issue number 12. Give me his little chair, look. Reminds me of Mr. Bean, that does, when he had his chair on top of his mini. Mr. Miracle. Mr. Miracle. He looks a bit like Iron Man, he does. Return of the New Gods. Look at that thing there, look. Look, they made the women look like, they were always like damsels in distress. Oh, we've only got 3 left. I don't want this to end. Really enjoyed this one. Another Return of the New Gods. Issue 13 and 14. And 12. So we've got issue 12 13 and 14. We've only got 2 left. And issue 17, Return of the New Gods. What a weird character that is. And they put, look, they put a stamp on there. A little 12p stamp. And the last one, what's the last one going to be? Sergeant Rock. Ha! 20 cents. Issue number 271. This is from 1974. Well, that was brilliant, that was. Absolutely, I really enjoyed that. And to think I was scared of this one, I might even say I've enjoyed this one. I don't know. I was going to say I've enjoyed this one more than the other one, which is the random comics. But I still, what I like about the random comics is you get things like, look, you get things like this in the random comics. The random comics one seems to be a lot more sexier. But I've absolutely loved this one. I'm surprised at how many comics are sort of like variant covers like these ones. I can't believe that. And there's a lot of number 1s in here as well, which is nice. So what my wish list, I wanted some female characters. I definitely got me female characters. 80s and 90s. I got 80s, 90s and 70s. A character I'm collecting. Well, I'm collecting Green Lantern. And I'm also collecting this Fortnite comic. And something really weird. Well, I got the mystery thingy. That House of Mystery. So for me, this one here, it ticked all of my wish lists. That was brilliant. What's my favourite cover? I really like that one actually. These two are nice. And surprisingly, I like that one. But I actually quite like that one. I feel like these are my 3 favourite covers from this one. So I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at 25 random DC comics from Comic Biz mystery box, and like I said, it's 25 comics for £15. So like 60p, I think it's about 60p each, so 60p for that. That's crazy. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you later for another one.